Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how the market's still warming to President-elect Trump. Because of that, the dollar is up and the yen is down. Gold, oil, and copper are also falling. Separately, it looks like the Trump wave has made it to Bulgaria in what may be another domino to fall in Europe. Finally, we'll discuss the one indicator out today, EU industrial production. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my European opening market comment. Well, financial markets are continuing in a risk-on mode as investors warm to President-elect Trump. After the bond market holiday Friday in the U.S. 10-year bond yields were up 8 basis points this morning. Investors reason that fiscal stimulus when the U.S. is near full employment will stoke inflation. Higher U.S. interest rates mean a higher dollar. On the other hand, Asian FX rates and Asian stocks were under pressure as investors figure out which countries might be hit by trade barriers. Asia is first in line because its economies rely on exporting manufactured goods to the U.S. Malaysia had to restrict some FX outflows. Asian markets are likely to be under pressure for some time, especially as Trump focuses on trade with China. Now, the yen fell on the continued risk-on sentiment. Also, Japan announced much better than expected third-quarter GDP figures, which lifted Tokyo stocks and therefore depressed the yen. I think the yen could keep weakening for some time as the monetary policy divergence theme comes back into vogue. Gold, oil, and copper were down. Gold fell on the stronger dollar and higher U.S. rates, which increased the opportunity cost of holding gold. Oil was also hit by the same factors, and another rise in U.S. oil rigs announced on Friday. Furthermore, there was some news out about Iran increasing oil production, faster than was expected. Personally, I think oil's seen its highs for the time being. Copper fell back as the market thinks the move in reaction to U.S. stimulus was overdone. After all, China uses the most copper, not the U.S. And there's big news out of Bulgaria, a country we don't hear much from normally. A former Air Force chief and political novice won the presidential election in Bulgaria Sunday on a platform of fighting corruption, tightening the borders against immigrants, strengthening the military, and lifting sanctions against Russia. Sound familiar? The Bulgarian Prime Minister says he'll resign. This could be a sign of what's in store in the future for Italy, the Netherlands, and France as they face elections in the near future. So it's really negative for the euro. As for today's data, the only major figure coming out today is EU industrial production. It's expected to be lower, which could add to the euro's recent gloom. For an overview of what to expect this week, please watch my midday comment. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.